3. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your payout schedule in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Settings in the top right corner. Then, under Business Settings, select Bank Accounts and Scheduling. Next, find the Payout Schedule section and click Edit. Here, you can choose how often you want Stripe to send payouts to your connected bank account. Depending on your account and region, you may be able to select daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. After that, choose the schedule that works best for your business. If you select weekly or monthly payouts, choose the specific day when you want the funds to be transferred. Review your settings to make sure everything is correct. Once you're finished, click Save to apply the changes. Your new payout schedule will be used for future payouts, helping you manage your cash flow more effectively. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up your payout schedule in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.